Morning, my dear students. I hope you are all safe and good. Welcome to EdStar online math class. Now you are going to attend test in Chapter 4 multiplication. Get ready for that with your rough note. As usual, you no need to write question in your rough note. Write answer alone enough. After I dictate each question, pause the video, write your answer and then continue. After complete 10 questions, I will show to you the answers of that 10 questions. Correct yourself. First question, second question, third question, fifth question and sixth question carry 1 mark. The remaining 5 questions carry 2 marks. Once again, first question, second question, third question, fifth question and sixth question. These questions carry 1 mark and the remaining 5 questions carry 2 marks. So totally you are going to attend test for 15 marks. I hope students you will attend the test honestly. Okay, let us start. Think and answer. First question. 8 into 13 which is equal to dash into 8. Second question. 125 into dash which is equal to 0. Third question. 458 into 100 which is equal to dash. Fourth question. Estimated product of 43 into 28 is dash. Fifth question. 9999 into dash which is equal to 9999. Sixth question. 217 into 10 which is equal to dash. Seventh question. Multiply using expanded form. 9532 into 7 which is equal to dash. Eighth question. 125 into 400 which is equal to dash. Ninth question. 8596 into 672 which is equal to dash. 10th question. Word problem. A book has 1098 pages in it. How many pages will 45 such books have? Now we are going to see the answers for these 10 questions. First question. 8 into 13 which is equal to 13 into 8. First question answer is 13. Second question. 125 into dash which is equal to 0. Second question answer is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, the product is 0. Third question. 458 into 100 which is equal to 45,800. When we multiply any number with 100, you have to add 2 zeros right side of that number. That means you have to put 2 zeros with the right side of that number. Fourth question. Estimated product of 43 into 28 is 1200. 43 is rounded off to 40. 28 is rounded off to 30. So 40 into 30, which is equal to 1200. Fifth question, 9999 into dash, which is equal to 9999. When we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number as a answer. So the answer is 1. Sixth question, 217 into 10, which is equal to dash. The answer is 2170. When we multiply any number with 10, put 10 with the right side of that number. Seventh question, multiply using expanded form. 9532 into 7, which is equal to 66,724. Expand the number 9532. 2 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place, 5 is in 100's place, 9 is in 1000's place. So according to that, you have to expand the number and then multiply. Eighth question, 125 into 400, which is equal to 50,000. The answer is 50,000. Ninth question, 8596 into 67. The answer is 5,75,932. With 8596, first you multiply with the 1's place digit of the multiplier 7, and then multiply with the 10's place digit 6. 6 is in 10's place, so multiply the number 8596 with 60. Finally, add the products. You will get the answer 5,75,932. The last question, 10th question. A book has 1098 pages in it. How many pages will 45 such books have? One book has 1098 pages. So 45 books have how many pages? We have to find. So with 45, you have to multiply 1098. You will get the answer 49,410. So 45 books have 49,410 pages. I hope students you have attended the test honestly. Next, revision chapter 5, division part 1. Division. Division is repeated subtraction. Let us see this with the example. 259 divided by 6. Here 259 is going to divided by 6. 2 we cannot divide 6. So usually we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication from the right side. But division we have to start from the left side. Here left side the first number is 2. 2 we cannot divide by 6. So regroup. 25. 25 can divided by 6? Yes. 4 6 are 24. So write 4 in the quotient. 24 write under the dividend. 25 minus 24, which is equal to 1. Now get down. Now bring down 9 to near 1. In 19, how many 6 are there? 3 6. So write 3 in the quotient and write 18 down of 19. 19 minus 18, which is equal to 1. Here 259 is the dividend. 6 is the divisor. 43, that means the result of the division is the quotient. The leftover number is the remainder. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. Next, properties of division. First property. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Example, 4385 divided by 1. The answer is the same number, 4385. Second property. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Example, 642 divided by 642. The answer is 1. Third property. When 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Example, 0 divided by 798, which is equal to 0. 0 divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Fourth property. Division by 0 is not possible. It means 0 can be a dividend or quotient, but it cannot be a divisor. Next, division algorithm. When we multiply a divisor and the quotient with the result, if we add the remainder, we will get the dividend. It means dividend, which is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Example, 578 divided by 9. Here, start to dividing from the left side. 5 we cannot divide by 9. So, let us take the first two numbers. 57. 57 can divide by 9? Yes. 6 9s are 54. So, write 6 in the quotient and 54 down of the dividend. 57 minus 54, which is equal to 3. Now, bring down 8. 38. 38 can divide by 9? Yes. 4 9s are 36. So, write 4 in the quotient. 36, write 36 down of 38. 38 minus 36, which is equal to 2. So the quotient is 64, remainder is 2. Multiply the divisor and the quotient. The divisor is 9, quotient is 64. 9 into 64, 576. With that, add the remainder. Remainder is 2. 576 plus 2, which is equal to 578. Next, division by 10, 100 and 1000. Dividing a number by 10. When we divide a number by 10, the remainder is the ones place digit. The remaining digits are the quotient. Example, 524 divided by 10. The ones place digit is 4. So 4 is the remainder. The remaining digits are 55 and 2. 52. 52 is the quotient. Dividing a number by 100. When we divide a number by 100, ones place digit and the tens place digit are the remainder. The remaining digits are the quotient. Example, 8486 divided by 100. Here the ones place digit and the tens place digit are 86. So 86 is the remainder. The remaining digits 8 and 4. 84 is the quotient. Dividing a number by 1000. Example, when we divide a number by 1000, ones place digit, tens place digit and hundreds place digit are the quotient. The remaining ones place digit, tens place digit, hundreds place digits are the remainder. The remaining digits are the quotient. Example, 6927 divided by 1000. Here the ones place digit, tens place digit, hundreds place digits are 7, 2, 9. So 927 is the remainder. The remaining digit 6 is the quotient. I hope students up to this you have understand well. Next we are going to see about division of large numbers. Division by one digit number. Example, divide 13,865 by 6 and check your answer. Solution, 13,865 going to divide by 6. Start to divide from the left side. Left side, the first digit is 1. From 1 we cannot divide 6. So let us take the first two digits, 13. In 13 we can divide 6. 2 6 are 12. So write 2 in the quotient. 12. Write 12 down of the dividend. 13 minus 12, which is equal to 1. Bring down 8. 18. In 18, how many 6 are there? 3 6 are there. 3 6 are 18. Write 3 in the quotient. 18. Write 18 down of 18. 18 minus 18, which is equal to 0. Now bring down 6. In 6, how many 6 are there? 1. 1 6 are 6. Write 1 in the quotient. Write 6 down of 6. 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. Now bring down 5. In 5 we cannot divide 6. So the quotient is 2310. Remainder is 5. Now let us check whether we got the quotient and the remainder is right or wrong using division algorithm. Division algorithm is divisor into quotient plus remainder, which is equal to dividend. Quotient we got 2310. Divisor is 6. With that, after multiply we got 13,860. With the result we have to add the remainder. Finally we got 13,865. So we got the dividend as the answer. So the quotient and the remainder we got correct. Division by 2-digit number. Example, divide 4287 by 21 and check your answer. 4287 is going to divide by 21. Start to divide from the left side of the dividend. 4. In 4 we cannot divide 21. So let us take the first 2 digits, 42. In 42 how many 21s are there? 2 21s are there. 2 21s are 42. So write 2 in the quotient. Write 42 down of the dividend. 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. Bring down 8. In 8 we cannot divide 21. So write 0 in the quotient. Bring down 7. In 87 how many 21s are there? 4 21s are there. 4 21s are 84. 87 minus 84, which is equal to 3. So the quotient is 204. Remainder is 3. Let us check whether we got the quotient and the remainder is right or wrong using division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder, which is equal to dividend. Divisor is 21. Quotient we got 204. 21 into 24, 204, which is equal to 4284 plus 3. Remainder. The dividend we got 4287. Next, classwork. Classwork of data handling. Exercise 2, first question. Solution. Second question. Copy these 2 questions in your math note. Thank you, students.